That's right, we're going to try and head to Shine Automotive. We're going to come and see you guys. Be there soon. I say be there soon. It's about an hour's drive from my dad's, so we're going to head off in a minute, a bit early. Got a slight glasses emergency, which we're trying to sort out now, and then we'll head over. So yeah, I don't know if anyone doesn't know Shine Automotive. They're building a Fiesta with an Audi TT. They do loads of other projects as well. They've been watching my channel for a while now, and they follow Frank. And yeah, we've sort of on pencil challenged each other to a race at some point. God knows when. We've both got to finish our cars first, and lots of other things more important in life to start with. So yeah, one day we'll have a bit of fun. So yeah, let's head over there. I think they're somewhere in Thirsk somewhere, so we'll have to stick that in the sat nav and go see if they're around. Well, I think I'm here. I can see half a Fiesta, so on the back of a trailer. Where's Colin? Where's Colin? No one's around. Look at all this clobber they got. Are those trophies? Yeah. I need a shop and a fish tank. Hey!
I've not even done my hair. You can't put me on camera.
It's finally turned up. How much do you want for the shitter?
Yeah, well, it's, I don't think you can afford it in all fairness. About 55 quid.
Oh! That work. That's much. That's well. Let's not compare work. Ah! Whoa!
Have a look at it.
Yeah, we need a unit like this. Put you back into it.
That's it. I can push things.
So anyone that doesn't know, that doesn't follow him anyway, they always do. So, don't come all the way, Dad. That's gonna.
I'll just push that forwards a bit more.
I could do, couldn't I?
I don't want you. I'll do it. I don't want you putting your back out, man.
Oh, fucking hell. I don't want you saying I've then come along and damaged all your hard work and stuff, and we then turn into a massive YouTube slagging match.
Yeah. I don't want to go down that road.
It doesn't look straight to me. Has that got a twist in it?
No, we built ours using levels.
Ah. I based mine on the concrete floor at the farm. It worked well.
Yeah. I tell you what, John that did the cage did a proper good job.
Yeah, it's a mint cage.
It's stunning. It's stunning.
I know how to make cages, and that's a good cage.
Yeah. Yeah. So how was the metro coming on? All right.
Yeah, well, we're up at my dad's, so we're going to get...
Well, when this is finished, we'll have a race.
Some sort of race, yeah, definitely, something. I think we should sort of do like a few different things, shouldn't we? Just to fucking... As they always do, don't they? They like, you know, because... I've got to give you a chance to win, so we can't always just do it. We can't just do it on power and straight line.
Definitely, yeah, because Sam's building the engine, so we've got to make sure that's going to be reliable, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we need...
Sam will do the drivetrain, and then we'll see how we go.
Yeah, we need to keep the challenges like less than 30 seconds each, so I've got time to then cool down, and I've got shit problems with cooling at the moment, so I've got to figure that out, yeah.
Well, this hasn't even turned the engine and ran for about a year now, so...
But you'll be alright, you're going to just stick the old rad in the front, aren't you? So it's not a problem,
that's the plan.
It's all simple, if you can do that, it's a lifesaver.
Hidden in the front and keep it looking like an XR2, just on steroids when it's packed next to another one. You know, I just want, that's the big key with this, is it will just look like an XR2.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm loving it. It's just time. Obviously, this has been on hold. I haven't done a video for like 4 weeks. That's on the key because we're going to Benidorm in that, and we're raising some money for a couple of charities. So that's
I think the guy that's asked me for some merch as well, and I'll sort him out. Another guy, you put somebody in contact with me, didn't you? About some charity merch.
If people like my channel, they're going to like your channel, aren't they? You know,
yeah.
It's just banter and light-hearted. It's just people working.
They understand what I'm saying though, because I'm from South.
Yeah, well, it's just people working in a garage.
Yeah, you know, We make mistakes and we do
Everyone
things. And
makes mistakes. That's life, isn't it?
yeah, you learn from it.
To keep it real, really, as it is. As it is. Just, you know.
The mistakes are normally don't start these damn projects.
We haven't got money to work on really
No.
expensive stuff and new stuff, and I'd rather be creative with old stuff. An old KA there, an old Cavalier, an old Fiesta XR2, and an old TT, and away we go. And then everything else we've got. It's nice.
Yeah, I like flipping between like custom cars and restorations sometimes. Restorations, sort of like a known thing. You just look on the books, you buy all the panels, you can restore it. You know, you just fit it as standard. But there's not much thinking involved. Where with these custom cars, I like it because
100%.
there's always problems you got to figure out. You know, the power steering, the brakes, the lines, the body panels, the lines. How you're going to join the things up. The thought
you
of
don't do stuff the easy way, do you? Because you want to do, me and Sam want to do stuff that hasn't been done before.
yeah.
Because we like that. Well, how do you get around this stuff? And that's the more enjoyment I get of doing something that's not been done before.
Yeah.
To show that you can do stuff differently. You don't have to do what everyone else has done. You don't have to follow
be different, you know.
100%. 100%. And I love it. And I'm a bit of a Fruit Loop anyway.
Yeah. And when somebody says you can't do that, well, try it, prove it, do it.
Yeah, 100%. Nice, isn't it?
Better than my tailgate.
Yeah, don't look at the tailgate.
No, less, yeah. Something about tailgates.
Yeah, don't look at the tailgate. I haven't finished.
I came up yesterday, I said, Dad, take my tailgate.
Yeah.
I'm not touching it anymore. I fucking had enough of it.
Yeah.
I've had enough. Well, we're back at my dad's place. He's still out for the day, gone out on a joyride in his classic car with a few friends. I've got a little bit of time before we're going to head over and see my sister. But then we're going to have the next few days full on it. So he's told me to put a bit of filler in the tailgate, which is a little bit of a sham since it was his job now, and now he's delegated it back to me. But he said it'll save us a day if I get some fill on it today, ready for tomorrow. So yeah, fair point. So it's nice to see Colin and the guys at Shine Automotive. So if you don't, I'll try and put something in the description, but go check them out, just Google them, YouTube them. Yeah, great guys. And hopefully we'll do many more things in the future, that's for sure. It was only a quick pop-in visit. I didn't want to disturb them too much. We had nothing actually planned. It was just a meet and greet and just say hello, look at each other, look at his car and everything like that, and have a bit of a chat. So, yeah, very nice to meet you. Then on the way back, I popped and saw Ash and Chris. I think his dad's name is Chris. I do apologise if I got that wrong. Who had a Metro windscreen for me, only a few miles away from Automotive, so that was good. And yeah, amazing car that you got. I won't go into too much details, but he showed me the cars. It was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Thank you for the windscreen. Thank you for watching my channel. And yeah, so this is just going to be bits of video. I'm going to do mostly a bigger video ready for Saturday when we do all the, hopefully in the next few days when we do all this and paint the panels. So that'll be the Saturday's video. Tonight's meal though, I'm going around my sister's as I just said, and she's going to pick up some pizzas from Asda. Yeah, filler, DA in, and get out of here. So let's do a bit of that. Oh, I'm going to grind off some of Dad's welds first. Okay, put a load of pug on that. I'm not too sure if I didn't put enough hardener in. So it's rady. So yeah, hopefully it'll go off overnight and Dad'll be alright. Just started doing a bit of DAing, helping my dad out, you know what I'm like. So we're just doing a bit of DAing on these steps now. Again, I think my dad wants to put a bit of primer. Well, we're definitely going to put primer on that. We'll have to over the filler. We might have just put a little bit of a epoxy primer on just the small bits. And we're just going to smack it green, but I'll have to just see. Yeah. Lovely. Although, to be fair, it's nice to have a bit of space. Yeah. Dad, got space. Yay, boo. Rain, rain, go away. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to chop this video, upload it. Sorry if it's a bit raw. All my videos are quite raw, really, aren't they? I don't really do much editing, so hopefully I'll quickly check the sound. Hopefully everything's okay, and we'll just upload it. It's Wednesday. Just a quick update, and yeah, Shine Automotive, thank you for having me, and again, some of the subscribers, thank you for contacting me. I do love to hear from them. Maybe it's something I should do a bit more. If you've got an interesting project, maybe I should come and... does anybody want to see other people's projects? I don't know. If you want your project to be shown off, let us know, and maybe I can just come out and visit. Maybe I need to see you more. It does spur me on, especially seeing customised cars and things like that, and restoration. So, yeah, we're going to go see my sister. Pizza for tea. Have a few beers, get back over here in the morning, and we've got 2 days of cracking on. I can't wait, actually, even though I don't like the tailgate too much. Can't wait to get the tailgate painted back home, bolted on the car with the orange spoiler on the top. I can't wait. It'll be good, innit? Next week, seeing it's all in the green colour. Well, let's see. We've got to get it painted first. Fingers crossed. Saturday's video. Hopefully, we're all done up here, painted, and I'm back home. And then maybe next weekend you get the video of it all bolted together. But yeah. Again, if you want to support me, check out the description. Different ways of supporting me. Patreon, like, hit the like button. That's the main thing. And yeah, we go from there. All right, we're back.